In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary admin in QuickBooks Online. This is especially useful if you're reassigning responsibilities or if there's a change in personnel. Let's walk through this step by step, ensuring you have a seamless transition. First, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks Online. For those who already have an account, simply head to the sign-in page. Once there, enter your account information. You'll see a prompt for a typical security measure. Just click on I'm not a robot and follow this by clicking Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your password. After you've done that, once again click Continue. For users managing multiple company files, you'll need to select the appropriate company file at this stage. It's important to ensure you're working within the correct company framework to avoid any mix-ups. With your company file open in QuickBooks, it's time to navigate to your settings. Click on the settings icon, which is located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. After that, click on Manage Users from the drop-down menu. Here's where you'll invite the new primary admin if they aren't already added. If the intended new admin isn't listed yet as a user, you'll need to add them. Click on Add User and then select Company Admin as their user type. Be sure to enter their email address accurately and then send the invitation. It's important to note that the invited person must accept this email invite to officially appear as a user in the system. With the new user now added, you'll proceed to change the primary admin, locate their name in the list of users, and click the drop-down arrow beside it. You'll see an option that says Make Primary Admin. Click on this option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to verify the transfer of admin rights. Confirm this action. Following this, QuickBooks will send a notification email to the new admin, signifying that there's a change in your administrator role pending acceptance. For the final stage, the new user will need to open their email and click on Accept Invitation. Once they do this, they will become the new primary admin. Ensuring this step is completed is critical in securing administrative control transitions smoothly. Lastly, head back to the Manage Users page. Give it a quick refresh and you should now see the new user designated as the primary admin. This concludes the admin transition process.